Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in this video, we are going to learn how to select sheets and cells in the VBA. So friends, if you're watching my video first time and if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Excel for Beginners, which contains 33 videos, and Excel Level 2, which is Advanced Excel, which contains 67 videos. There is also a folder called VBA Macro available here. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, let us see how we can select sheets and cells. Okay, so let us start first with the sheets, then we will move to the cells. In sheet, we can select the sheet in two ways. Okay, first one, sheets number dot select. Okay, and second method is sheet name dot select. So when you are using number, you doesn't need to give any quotations, and when you are writing the sheet name, you have to give a quotations. So what is the difference between number and name means? For example, you can see here there is a Excel, right? So it is a sheet 1. Okay, so number will be 1, but sheet name will be Excel. So either you can use number or name. So let us see how it will work. So I'll just go to the developer tab and click on Visual Basic. And when you open a Visual Basic, automatically you will not find any module. Okay, so you have to go to the insert button and click on module, right? So let us start. So I am already in the Excel, right? So I want to go to VBA. So which sheet it is? Sheet 2. So let us use number first, then we'll move use the name. So I'll type sub. So first what we'll write? Sub, right? Sub. Now we have to give name. I will type selecting, open bracket, close bracket, enter. So when you click enter, automatically you'll get end sub. Nice. So let me click enter. Nice. Now I want to write a program to select a sheet 2, that is VBA. So what I will do, I will type select, sorry, I will first type sheets, open bracket. Now I can use number or name. So I will use number. I will just use sheet 2, right? So I'll use 2. Okay, dot select. Okay, select, right? So let us see how this will work. Okay, so to run the program, I'll go to the view and select the toolbar. In the toolbar we'll find a debug. So just select the debug, and in debug you will have an option called step into, or you can also use shortcut key. Okay, this will run step by step, so we can easily see what is happening in the coding, right? So let me run the program. Okay, so let me select this one and let me run, right? So first where it went, sub selecting, right? So let me run next step. It went to sheet 2 dot select. So if I run this one again, once again, if I click this button, what happens? It will go to the sheet 2, that is VBA. So let me run the program. See, now we are in the sheet 2 VBA. Nice, right? So this is how we can easily run the program. So once again, let us see. So I will go again to the Excel, and now again I will run the program, right? So once again I will just run. Okay, again going to the sub selecting. Next again, if I run, it will go to the sheet 2 dot select. If I run this, it will move to the sheet 2. See, right? Same way, I can also change this sheet. Instead of sheet 2, I can type VBA. Okay, so but when we are writing some text, we should give in the quotations, right? So I will use double quotations. Within the quotations, I will write VBA. You can see here the name is VBA, right? So once again, I will just select the Excel, and this time again will run the program. Okay, so let me run. Sub selecting VBA select, right? See, again we went to the second sheet. Okay, so either you can use number or you can use sheet name, right? So this is how easily we can select a sheet. Same way, if you want to select the cells, so let us see how it will work. Okay, now let us see how we can select the cells. Okay, so to select the cells, we can use two different ways. One is using cells, second one using range. Okay, so in cells, we have to give row number, column number separately, and in the range we have to give cell name. Cell name means B9. Okay, so let us see how it will run. So I will again go to the VBA coding. So already we have done with the sheet, selecting sheet. Okay, so if I run this program, automatically it will go to the VBA sheet, right? Now in the VBA sheet, I want to select which one. In the VBA sheet, which one I want to select? I want to select Vijay, right? Okay, so B3. Okay, so B3 cell I want to select this one, right? So So which is the column number? Column number is 2 and row number is 3. Okay, so let us see how it will run. Okay, again let me go to the Excel. Now let me run the program. Okay, so before that I will type cells, open bracket. First it is asking row index, so row index is the 3. Okay, third row and second column, right? So let me close bracket, enter. Okay, so okay, I forgot to type dot select. Okay, so dot select. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we have done the done with the program. So let me run by using step into. So when I click step into, automatically it went to the sub selecting. Again if I click step into, it went to the sheet VBA dot select. So again if I click here, it will move to the second sheet, that is VBA. So let us see now it is in the VBA. Now what we want to select? Cell 3 comma 2, that is the this one. Okay, third column, second row, right? So let me run once again. See, now it has selected third column, second row, right? So that nothing but a B3. So this is how we can easily run the program, right? So easily run the program and easily select the sheet and cells. So for example, now I want to select Imran, which is B7. So say in the same program, I will just use range also. Okay, so let me use range. So when I am using range, okay, so I'll just open bracket and I will give in the quotations what it is. B7, Imran is in B7, right? So I'll type B7, close the quotation, close the bracket, dot select. Okay, dot select, right? So right, now let us run. Okay, so what happens? First it will go to the VBA sheet, then it will select the Vijay, next it will go to the Imran. So let us see. Okay, now let us run the program. Okay, so again I will click on the step into. So it went for sub main program. Okay, so now it went to the sheet VBA dot select. So if I click on once again step into, what happens? It will move to the sheet 2, that is VBA, right? See, it has moved to the sheet 2. Now if I click, automatically cell 3 comma 2, that is Vijay, right? So it will select Vijay. So let me run. See, now it has selected the Vijay. So if I click again B7, so where is B7? Here, Imran. So it will select the Imran. See. So this is how your program runs. So range is not only about one cell. Okay, suppose if you want to select multiple cells also, you can do it. Okay, for example, you want to select B3 to B7. So I will just, what I will do, I will just go to the range and I will type B3 colon B7. So let me run this program also. So again I will just go to the Excel. Okay, and here again I will start running the program. So let me run the program. Okay, so sub select sheet VBA dot select. Okay, now it is in the sheet VBA dot select. So if I run, it will select the Vijay. Okay, right, it has select. Now I have written B3 to B7, so it will select whole B3 to B7, whole range. So that is the advantage of the range. Okay, range can be selected only one cell, or you can select at a time 5 to 10 cells. Okay, or more than that. Okay, so let me run this program. See, now it has selected 5 cells at a time. Nice, right? So this is how our cell range will help us to select the cells. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.